Alright, so this evening I'm going to make spaghetti alle vongole. So spaghetti with clams for dinner. I have the spaghetti boiling here. Got my wine. Got my glass of wine, more importantly. And then I have garlic, shallots, parsley, red pepper, and my secret ingredient, a pat of butter. So I'm going to wait for the spaghetti to finish, and then I'll start the sauce. Alright, I think the spaghetti is about done. So I'm going to take it off the heat. And I'll pour in some ice just to stop the cooking. There we go. Get my pan on the stove. And I'll let the oil heat up as I go and drain the pasta. Okay. And I'm not using very high heat. I'm not using very high heat, but I do want to get this oil heated. And when it's warm outside like this, I love to go in the backyard and cook on the Induction Cooktop here. It's just a portable cooktop. I think I paid like 80 bucks for it or something like that. But it works well, especially because I have solar. Okay, I think this is hot enough. Let me go ahead and get my stuff out. And I'm just going to put this part in and start sauteing it. So I'll be right back. Amazing. So this is just shallots, garlic, a little bit of parsley, and red pepper. Not a whole lot of parsley. I saved most of it for the garnish. But I'm going to let this saute and cook down. Again, this is on really low heat. I don't want to burn it. So I'll let that cook for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes and it's completely tender. So now I'm going to pour in my wine. And this is just Chardonnay. So I would say maybe half a cup. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase this. Let it boil and reduce by about half. Alright, this is reduced down to half. So I'm going to take my frozen clams. You heard that right? Frozen clams. I'll dump it in. And I'm going to turn that up, but cover it. And I'll cook this for about 3 minutes. And by that time, they should all open up. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. I don't know if you can see that, but most of the clams have opened up. I'll put in my spaghetti. Get that into the sauce. And I'm going to cook this for about another minute. But while I do that, I'm going to add my secret ingredient, which is that pat of butter that I had. So I deliberately didn't use a lot of oil, so I could use the butter, because that gives it a level of richness that you don't get otherwise. So let me add that in. Right. So I added in the pat of butter and some of the parsley. I'm reserving the rest to put on top. So let me stir this up and I'll plate it. Alright, we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and plate this. And just look at that dish. That's delicious.